Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am only VJ and today I'm going to teach you MS Excel lecture number 68. Today we will talk about converting a PDF file into Excel. You can directly convert a PDF file into Excel, and for this you won't need to open any separate website. You can apply a command from within Excel itself and convert your PDF file into Excel. So before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learned something from today's video, if you are able to learn something new, then please do like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First, we will open Excel and then create a new file. We will create a new blank workbook, and as you can see, I have already created a file here named loan record. Whenever I double click on this item, a simple table appears on the screen, and this is the specific table that I want to convert into an Excel spreadsheet so that I can much more easily edit and manage the data inside it. So for this, what we need to do is open Excel, and after opening Excel, go to the Data tab. After going to Data, you need to click on Get Data, and when we click on the drop down, a complete list will open in front of you. You need to go to From File, and after going to From File, click on From PDF. As soon as you click on From PDF, a dialog box will open in front of you, and you need to navigate to the drive where your data is stored. For example, I had saved it on the desktop and I saved it in the PDF to Excel folder. Here we click on the loan record sheet, and after that, as soon as we click on import, you will see that the file will be imported here. Then when we click on table 1, you can see the complete data displayed here. All the tables or paragraphs you have will appear here in the form of tables and chapters. For example, I had only one page and I had created a table in it. After that, when we click on load here, and as soon as we click on load, within a few seconds your file will be loaded here and a table will also be applied to it. So as you can see, you can very easily convert the data from your PDF into an Excel file like this. Now look here, if we want to make some changes, for example, if I want to write something here, you can see that it's very easy to write here. And if I want to make some changes here, you can see that changes are happening here as well. If you want to change any name here, for example, I typed Danish here, you can see that it's being written here very easily. And if you want to remove the filter or the table, what should you do for that? First of all, select this data. Then after that, go to the data tab and first remove the filter. Then after that, go to home, and after clicking on home, you need to come here to clear. After coming to clear, you have to click on clear formats. So your formatting will return to normal. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can directly convert a PDF file into Excel within Excel itself. I hope you definitely learned something new from today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.